Healthy tips of the day. Benefits of eating dates. What are dates? Dates are basically a tropical fruit which is grown on a date palm tree. It is one of the most healthy fruits around the world. The origins of dates can be traced back to almost 5320 BC. The fruit is a staple food for people in the Middle East and North Africa. Dates are highly beneficial due to the innate composition of macronutrients and many other healthy elements. Benefits of dates. The high nutrients content of the fruit contributes to its highly beneficial properties. Here are the various benefits that dates can have on your health. 1. Dates are highly nutritious. 2. Aids healthy bowel movements. 3. High concentration of antioxidants. 4. Improves brain functionality. 5. Facilitates natural labor. 6. Reduces risk of cancer. 7. Prevents microbial infections. 8. Helps fight diabetes. 9. Works as an anti-inflammatory agent. 10. Can protect your kidneys. 11. Can improve fertility among males. 12. Promotes bone health. 13. Adds strength to your nervous system. 14. Improves your skin. 15. Reduces the rate of hair loss. 16. Helps deal with hangovers. 17. Dates are rich in vitamins. 18. Reduces the chance of getting night blindness. 19. Dates are excellent sweeteners. 20. Dates are versatile. Eating just 3 dates per day will boost your energy, immune system, sex drive, improve digestion, increase iron levels, improve heart health, and relieve allergies.